Is your Targus docking station constantly disconnecting and reconnecting? This usually boils down to three key issues: power delivery, USB-C cable problems, or compatibility issues. USB-C docking stations rely on stable power and data transfer. Disconnections often happen when the power supply is insufficient, the USB-C cable is faulty, or the dock's firmware isn't playing nice with your computer. For example, if your laptop needs 100 watts but your adapter only provides 65 watts, the dock might reset connections. Always use certified USB-C cables to ensure proper bandwidth and power delivery to avoid resistance issues. Lastly, keep your operating system drivers updated to prevent software conflicts. Ignoring this will lead to constant issues with screen flickering, lost connections, and device failure. To fix the disconnecting problem, start by ensuring your Targus docking station has enough power, at least 90 watts for most USB-C docks. Update the docking station's firmware, which Targus releases periodically to improve power negotiation and fix reconnection problems. Always use high-quality, certified USB-C cables that are rated for both data and power delivery. Test the dock on different hosts to check for host-specific problems. If you are on Windows, ensure that the USB Selective Suspend setting is disabled. This will help prevent the computer from power cycling the USB port. For persistent issues, check Device Manager for any error codes. For example, in 2024, a Reddit user resolved constant reconnections by simply replacing a faulty cable with a Targus-branded 100-watt PD cable. These steps should address most disconnection problems.